Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my dogs 50K giveaway. So I said when I did hit 50K that I would be doing a giveaway. This is it. We are at 50K. Actually, we're over that at this point, and that is awesome. Thanks to every single one of you who hit that subscribe button. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is be subscribed to my channel. So make sure that red button down below is not red anymore, and it says subscribed and not subscribed. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and do that, and then leave a comment and tell me what your favorite cut of meat is. And that's it. You're entered to win. And there is a way for me to check and make sure you're subscribed. So that's a very important step. Make sure you're subscribed, because if you're not, then you can't be entered to win, okay? Important. I'm giving away a box of meat. So what I will do is I will pick next Friday. So that would be, what is the day of next Friday? Let me see. The 27th. So the day at Black Friday. So on Black Friday, I will announce who has won. And then if you're the winner, then you'll send an email to the email that's going to be posted on that video, okay? And I'm going to be doing a USDA Wellness Meats gift card. And I'll just send it to your email, and then you can pick whatever meat you want and have it shipped to you. Now, I'm not sure if USDA ships all around the world, so if you're from somewhere else, we'll figure it out. So don't worry about that. We'll figure something out, okay, guys? So that's it. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, your favorite kind of meat, and you'll be entered to win my 50K giveaway. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. It's very short and sweet and to the point. And I love you guys, and I mean it. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. It really does mean a lot, and I love doing this, guys. I love doing YouTubes. It's so much fun, and I'm so happy that this channel is growing, and this Neisha Tribe family is growing too. Okay, guys, thanks so much again. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.